The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 is making waves in the tech world, with its specifications being gradually revealed as Samsung gears up for a speculated July launch. Although it may not be a revolutionary leap from the Fold 5, Samsung is set to implement a host of modifications to distinguish it notably from its predecessor, according to recent leaks. Unfold the leaks of Samsung's latest innovation as we delve into its cutting-edge features. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, this is a device that's set to redefine the smartphone experience. Don't miss out on the revolution. Join us as we explore the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The leaker, Chun Bai, has disclosed all the details he has gathered about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 on X. As anticipated, the phone will not feature a Galaxy S24 ultra-light compartment for the S Pen, which is reasonable considering its slimmer profile. The phone is expected to be 11mm thick when folded, a reduction from the 13.4mm thickness of the Fold 5. The Fold 6 is also rumored to be lighter than the Fold 5, despite potentially housing a larger 4600 battery, an increase of 200. Speculations suggest that the Fold the 6th of May have a wider form factor than its predecessor. Tipster Yogesh Brar suggests that the external screen will sport a 20:9 aspect ratio, while the inner display will have a 1.08:1 ratio. The outer screen is predicted to expand from 6.2 inches to 6.4 inches. The Fold 6 is also expected to adopt Galaxy S24 ultra-like sharp edges, replacing the softer rounded corners of its predecessor. In line with the S-series flagship, the Fold the 6th of May also swap its aluminum frame for titanium sides. The latest speculations also suggest that while the phone may maintain the same rear camera setup as its predecessor, it could boast an enhanced under-display camera. The Fold 6 is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, or more specifically, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, which should provide it with a slight advantage over other leading Android phones of 2024. Recent rumors also suggest that Samsung's forthcoming clamshell foldable will be available in 3 colors, with the possibility of additional options on Samsung's official website. If these leaks hold true, the Fold 6 is set to address the primary concern users have with its phone, the narrow cover screen, and nullify the key advantage competitors have over its foldable phone. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the game-changing Galaxy Z Fold 6. With its innovative design and advanced features, it's clear that Samsung is once again pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Stay tuned for more tech insights, and remember, the future of smartphones is unfolding right before our eyes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting updates. Until next time, keep exploring the galaxy of technology.